Hello guys, Kofi Gaming here, and today we're gonna be playing as the account Hello Master Drew 123, and we're gonna be playing some jailbreak. I picked this game because I wanted to see if I can get my bounty to 7,000. So let's get into the game. Let's see if I can get my bounty to 7,000. And if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Kofi Gaming. Join my group follow me on Instagram at LowKofiKwan123 or follow me on Facebook at Drew Donkor, or follow me on Roblox as what is it called? Hello Master Drew, DP1234, Kofi Gaming 45, or 667 Low Kofi Kwan. Okay, there. So we're gonna just be playing jailbreak. It's gonna be a little bit laggy, guys, because I just got into the game and my computer's not a new one. Okay, but I know this. So I know a trick. If I keep on doing this, it's not gonna be that laggy. It's not gonna be that laggy. It's not gonna be lag. Come on, lag, go away. Well, when this is loading, let's show you guys my group. I've actually added a few new clothing. So this is my group, HMD clothes. And wait, what do you mean add? This is my group. Follow it. Let me show you the store because I actually added a bunch of good stuff. So look, this is all that's in my store. Buy this because I'm gonna do a gold digging prank on it. Pyrotech signs. This actually gives you gold chains. Okay, so yeah guys, buy all of these and then enter yourself into a giveaway. I'm giving the person, so this is all you need to do. So let's go to let's just go to my account to show you guys what you need to do. Okay, so is it gonna work? I guess it does want to work. Okay, so all you need to do if you want to win this okay, all you need to do is put this as your bio, join my group, buy 5 separate clothing, and then after you're done that, you can either get this limited or 75 Robux. And I get 60 Robux a day because I have OBC. So yeah. As the game is working now, let's play some jailbreak. Okay, so my challenge today is to try to get on the most wanted list because I was actually on it and my bounty was like 7,132. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was my bounty. No, not 132, just 100. Oh, come on. Hack in. Come on, you can do this. Come on. You know what? F this. Okay, there. Let's just open this. Okay, come on, let's run. Come on, run faster. Run your buttocks off. You are now a criminal. Run, hide, rob banks, check out the city, find other criminals. Don't get caught. Jeez. Gee, that guy was crazy. What am I doing? I'm doing something only a dumb person would do. Why isn't it working? Because I'm not saying I'm dumb. It's just that I want to get some stuff. Fuck. That was too close. Okay, there. Boom. Oh, that was tough. Okay, so first, we're just gonna get an AK, take B. I was trying to be the case, but I didn't be the case. Did a race. Mask up on Shorty's face. I shoot, then I go out my way. Skirt! No. I take a gun and jailbreak, then I go out my way. Skirt! Get those gliders, yeah, get those gliders, hey. Dropping the donut shop, go, and then I go out my way. Skirt! Cops following me, but I use the rocket fuel. Even though I'm empty, I'm still buying fuel. But I only got 3 robux, what am I gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run off that fool, yo, he's right there, what should I do? Oh no, he's coming after me, what should I do? Yo, I think I just lost him, yo, let me get the Lambo for the video, bro. TK in Roblox. Ever beat? I was trying to be the case, but I ain't be the case. Went to jailbreak, beat up, steal a cop's car, then shoot one with the AK, my favorite gun. Then I run out my way, skirt, take off these clothes, and I run out my way, skirt, have 141,914 to yaw, shoot a guy, then I go out my way, skirt, I don't even discriminate, oop. I'ma shoot a guy, then I go out my way, skirt, I'm so weak I can't even run like yaw. Let's change this car. Shout out, everybody follow this guy on Instagram. This is his skin color. I'm gonna change my car to skin color. It's GG from the 6 official. That's his thing. Let's just do it. Boom. This is him. He's biracial. So cringy. Okay. So let's go to the jewelry store because I don't have a what is it called? Boom. Because I don't have a... Oh, there's cops patrolling. Campers. Then I go out my way. You're gonna find on their pants and their face. How? Fuck this. See, fuck beat. I was trying to be the case, but I be the case. Did the race. Mask up in Shorty's face. I shoot, then I go out my way. Skirt. I shoot a cop, then I go out my way. Skirt. Back in jail, yeah, back in jail again. But I'm gonna escape cause I'm Roblox TK. Oop. Oof. Ah. I'm gonna escape cause I'm Roblox TK. Oof. Okay, let's escape again. I wonder if you guys ever stop. Let me just try to get a key card. Then I go out my way. Sure, Robert, like, I'm gonna see you on the back of my face. I didn't even do anything. And I was almost in. Come on. Come on, let me escape. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Oh, I'm almost in. Dang it. Come on. Don't let them hold you back. No one can hold me back because I'm TK. I'm TK. I'm Roblox TK. Oof. I'm Roblox TK. Oof. Yes. That was the position that I sat in when the girl came on me. What the? Oh, let me pickpocket him real quick. I didn't do anything. I'm Roblox TK. TK the race. If you want to arrest me, you better stop. Stop. He's not even doing anything. How come it's so dark? Yeah. Big boogie. You did it too. I got a donut out of him. I don't even want what I got. I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, try to arrest me. Yeah, try to arrest me. What? I didn't even do anything. All I did was steal a donut. Stop being so butthurt. Stop being so butthurt. All I did was steal a donut. All I did was steal a donut. Just don't. Why are people so butthurt these days? Like, jeez. Why you all have to be so butthurt? Like, all I did was steal your donut. Like, cops. Like, jeez. Like, jeez. Like, it's just a freaking donut. Like, are donuts that special that you can't even give one to, like, a prisoner because it's a hazard? They can throw it at someone and then the person that they threw it at can get killed. A donut? A donut? Where's this man's? Where's this man's? Turn up the brightness. It's so dark. Dang it. I'm gonna ask him if you can be a cop and give me a key card. Can you be a cop and give me key, please? I'll give RBX. I'll give Robux. So guys, that's a scam. I'm not gonna give him Robux because oh yeah, I'm gonna give him Robux. He just needs to join my group to get them free Robux. What's his name? Karshta. There he is. Okay. Where is Mats? Oh, there he is, right there. He's running. He's running. He's like, let me give him my key card. Okay, let's just boot gang it from him. Okay. No, I got a gun. I'm not supposed to get a gun. Wait, I didn't get it. I didn't. Stop. I didn't get a key card. 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 I did not get a key card. You better stop. You're dying. You're dying. Stop moving. Stop. Give me a key card. I got a gun, douchebag. Okay, I'm shooting. I'm dotting, man. Wait! No! I didn't get a key card. Stop it. I didn't get a key card. Don't move. I didn't get a key card. Don't move. Okay, there, I got a key card. Come on, let's go. Psych! I'm leaving you. Jeez. Okay, come on. Hop in. Okay, let's go. Lag out. Oh shoot, I gotta do that. I didn't mean to do that on purpose. I was supposed to lock it. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's get out. Let's use our rocket fuel. I have no rocket fuel. What is he doing? Oh, okay. He thinks he's not a fuck. Full everything. I'm 14 minutes in and I haven't do duck squat. So I guess this is the end, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, join my group and you'll get 75 Robux, or maybe even 100. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a blessed day, blessed morning, blessed afternoon. As you can see, it's 8:20. So for me right now, if you live in Canada, it's morning, I'm pretty sure. No, it's closed. Hope you guys have a blessed day. And if you didn't, that's tough. But if you did,